Hello students, this is the continue of the first lesson, the town mouse and country mouse. After sleeping at the corner in the mouse hole, the town mouse said to the country mouse, on the ground? Asked the town mouse, do I have to sleep on the ground? The town mouse is asking to country mouse, do I have to sleep on the ground? क्या मुझे ज़मीन पर सोना पड़ेगा? Yes, this is how we sleep in the country. His cousin answered. What the country mouse said to the town mouse? Yes, we sleep like this in the country. As the town mouse lay down on the hard, cold ground, he suddenly thought something. Cousin, he called out. So what happened? As the town mouse lay down means लेट गए उन्होंने ऑन दैट हार्ड कोल्ड ग्राउंड. हार्ड मीन्स सख्त है ज़मीन और ठंडी है. सो ही सडनली थाउट समथिंग एंड ही कॉल्ड द कंट्री माउस एज ए कजन. यस, वॉट इज इट? द कंट्री माउस आस्क. आफ्टर कॉलिंग द टाउन माउस, द कंट्री माउस आंसर्ड, what do you want? Why is it so quiet here? Where all the cars and lorries? Where are the radios and the televisions? Where are all the lights? So the town mouse asking to the country mouse, why it is so quiet in this country, in the village? There is no sound of the cars and lorries and radios, televisions. Where are all the lights? Why the lights are switched off? This is how it is in the country, his cousin replied. It's always quiet in the country. Sometimes it is quieter than today. My grandfather says that our village is the quieter among all the villages in our district. Oh, is it? The country in a strange place, said the town mouse. But he said to himself, I don't think I like this place. So, the country mouse answered that yes, it is always quiet in the country. Means हमेशा यहाँ पे खामोशी रहती विलेज में बोलकर. कौन बोले? कंट्री माउस. So, the country mouse saying that his grandfather means dada. His grandfather said that village is very quiet among all the villages in the district. So the town mouse asking, oh, is it? क्या सच में? So the country mouse said that yes, like this only, very quiet. So the town mouse is saying that this village is very strange place. Strange means अजीब जगह है. Right? Strange means अजीब जगह है, said the town mouse. But he said to himself, I don't think I like this place. So the town mouse saying this, I don't like this place. Now, the next morning, the town mouse found that there was no breakfast ready. His cousin told him that he had to go to a nearby farm in search of food. So at the next morning, there was no breakfast ready. Town mouse point nothing. So the country mouse said to him, we can go nearby farm. Farm means खेत, for searching the food. खाना ढूंढने के लिए अपन को कहाँ पे जाना पड़ता? बोले खेत में, फील्ड में. Okay? We are sure to find something there, he said. A nice piece of root or a tender bit of sugar cane. So what he said? We will find something there. A piece of root like radish, carrot, beetroot, and soft bit of sugar cane. Tender means soft. But the town mouse had enough. Thank you, cousin, he said. But I think I will catch the next train home. I have suddenly remembered that I have forgotten something. What the town mouse said? He had enough. यानी कि town mouse अब वहाँ पे रहना नहीं चाह रहे थे. So he said to his cousin, thank you, cousin, but I will take next train to my home. So he suddenly said that I have remembered something which I have forgot in my home. Forgotten means भूल जाना. A few days later, the country mouse wrote to his cousin, the town mouse, here is the letter. After a few days, what happened? The country mouse written a letter to the town mouse. So see here is the letter. Mouse hole, mouse country, 22 March to 2012. So this is the from address. My dear cousin, I hope you are well. I am worried about you. I would like to visit you and make sure you are all right. With love, your cousin Country Mouse. So country mouse returned the letter to the town mouse that he was asking, hope you well. Okay, so he is getting worried about the town mouse, and he like to visit the town now. The country mouse, the village mouse now like to travel to the town. So with great love, he has returned that country mouse to town mouse, kitchen cupboard, mouse town. This is the address of town mouse, that is kitchen cupboard. Okay. The town mouse received the letter and read it. Since he was in a hurry, he sent a telegram to the country mouse here in his telegram. So the town mouse received a letter from the country mouse, and he was in hurry. Jaldi mein the uno. Hurry means jaldi. So he has written like this: overjoyed, come soon, town mouse. Overjoyed means extremely happy. बहुत खुश हूँ मैं, जल्दी आ जाओ बोल के कौन बोले? टाउन माउस कंट्री माउस को बोले. ओके.